How to fix TikTok photo mode not working. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're on TikTok and your photo mode is currently not working, you're not able to post a photograph, I'm going to show you how to go about it. So let's jump out of the section over here and we're going to go back to our home page. So over here, you can see that there's a plus icon. We are going to tap on that. And this is basically where you can upload onto TikTok. You can upload 10-minute videos, 60-second, 15-second videos, and then there is the photo mode and the text mode. So if that photo mode is not showing, I'm actually going to show you how you can have that fixed. We're going to jump into our device settings, and of course, depending on what device you're using, this will be slightly different. You can navigate in your settings to your apps, and you can tap on apps right over there. Now, once you're in apps, you can either go up to the top of the page, you can search for TikTok, or you can just go through the app list and look for TikTok. And once you've located it, you're going to tap on it. Now, from here, there are a few things that you can do. You're going to go down and look for storage, which is just under the usage tab. And right here, there's a few things you can do. You can tap on the clear cache on the bottom right hand side of the screen, and that'll clear your cache. You can also then, if this doesn't work, you can go ahead and tap on clear data. This will clear your data from your TikTok account. And if you're doing this, you will have to log in to your TikTok account again. So just make sure that you do know all of your login details. And if this doesn't work, as a last resort, you can go ahead and you can actually remove the app from your device. Once it's removed, you can go back into your Play Store and actually download the app again. And this will ensure that you're running the latest version of TikTok and there are no updates that are needed. And this will then definitely fix the photo mode not working on your TikTok account. I hope that this was helpful. If you want to learn some more awesome tips and tricks, you can go ahead and click on this video over here, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.